So this euro pound analysis for Thursday the 6th of September. Now let's just have a look on prices and where price may likely go. So previously we've had prices briefly break out above the 90.24. Didn't see that continuation all the way up towards that 90.98. Instead we had price come towards this 90.50. Counted some resistance here, had a bit of a pullback, had a sharp acceleration momentum to the downside, taking us beyond the 89.80 all the way down towards this 89.60. In around where we do have a bit of a gap fill here on the euro against the pound from our open at the beginning of the week. Came down towards a gap fill, pretty much filled that gap on the euro against the pound, and then from there we have seen the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, take us beyond the 89.80, that 400 period moving average, tested the 200 period moving average, brief consolidation here, retested the 200 period moving average, and again we have a brief consolidation and what appears to be a bit of a pullback rejection from this euro, the 200 period moving average on the euro against the pound. So if we do see an acceleration momentum to the downside here, looking to see our price react towards that 89.80, possibly that 400 period moving average. If we can turn around from where we are at present, we do find major support in around 89.80, looking for a retest of 90.24. If we can break and hold that 90.24, very next level of note here to the upside, of course, at 90.98, but our previous highs in around that 90.53. We'll keep an eye on that, but ultimately we're looking for a move towards that 90.98 on the euro against the pound. If, however, we do fail to hold that 89.80, the very next level of notes, of course, our previous low here on the chart in around that 89.45, and beyond that, if we do see sufficient volatility, the very next level of notes to the downside is a move down towards that 89.14 on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see our price developing, get scaling here correct. As we can see, the market has been uptrending since mid-May really. We've seen the pretty consistent move here to the upside, punctuated by pullbacks. Now, the further up we go, we are seeing an increase in volatility. As we can see, this channel is starting to widen. We had a pretty narrow uptrending channel, but as we head further here to the upside, we are seeing a widening of the channel, suggesting there's a great degree of volatility. We may just see a breakdown in prices, but for now, the uptrend remains intact. So here on the euro against the pound, especially if we do continue to hold above the 89.80, possibly looking for that break above and hold above the 90.24 before retesting our previous highs in around that 90.98. And if we do see that strong continuation beyond 90.98, the very next level of note is a move up towards that 91.42 here on the euro against the pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.